Hello everyone, I am Chef Christy and I am really glad that you're watching today. I am excited to share another delicious skillet meal with you. And if you are new to my channel, I share delicious recipes every Monday and every Thursday. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel, and all you need to do for that is just hit the little subscribe button that you see right below this video. And also, if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now, a few months ago, I made a Hamburger Helper, and today I want to show you a version, it's a healthy version of a Hamburger Helper. It is so easy, it is delicious, it is low carb, it is all made in a skillet. So I really hope that you give this a try because it is so good. So let's get started. Okay, to a cast iron skillet, I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and now I'm going to add my celery, carrots, and onion. And I'm going to let these just saute for a couple minutes, just until they start to soften. Okay, my vegetables have been cooking for a few minutes. The onions are becoming translucent, so now I'm just going to add 1 clove of garlic. Stir this around. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now you could use ground turkey or ground chicken if you prefer, but I'm using the ground beef today, and so I'm just going to cook this until all this is nice and brown. Okay, I am going to go ahead and add my seasoning, which is just some salt, pepper, dried thyme, and garlic powder. Okay, so my ground beef is pretty much already completely cooked, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 2 cups of chopped cauliflower, and I just cut it just in the smallest pieces I could. And then I'm going to add about 1 cup of beef broth, and I'm going to cover this and let this cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this has been cooking for almost 15 minutes. The vegetables are nice and tender. So now I'm going to add just two tablespoons of heavy cream, and that's really all that you need. It just gives it a nice creamy, it just gives it a creaminess that you just really can't get without it. But if you don't want to do the heavy cream, then that's fine. You just don't have to do that. And then I'm just going to slowly add this shredded, it's a shredded cheddar Monterey Jack blend, and I'm just going to gradually add that and stir it until it's nice and creamy. Okay, all the cheese is incorporated, and oh my goodness, it looks delicious. It looks like a Hamburger Helper. Okay, my healthy Hamburger Helper is all done, and I'm really excited for you to try this recipe. It is low carb, it is better for you, but it still has that creamy, that cheesiness that is just so good with a Hamburger Helper. So I really hope that you give it a try, and of course I've got to try it. You really do not even miss the macaroni that's in it. Normally in a Hamburger Helper, it's got the cauliflower, which is a nice substitute. That is so good. So I hope that you give this a try. I have really enjoyed cooking for you today and showing you this recipe. And as always, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you soon.